Give me subscribers, okay? Give me subscribers. Give me subscribers. I'm gonna play this game for subscribers. Let's go. We're gonna play this game for subscribers. Okay, I hope that was an okay, I hope that was an awesome video. See you guys in the next episode. Give me subscribers, please. I need subscribers for money. Well, I hope you like this video and give it a like and a thumbs up for its effort. And I like you guys. So, goodbye. Thank you for the subscribers. I need subscribers really bad because my family is poor and we need money. Please give me some, okay? Thank you very much, and please give me subscribers. The end, I think. No, I can still say something. Thank you for subscribers. And I need subscribers. So, give me subscribers, please. Subscribers. I need those. Skip to the end. Give me subscribers. Good night.